Hello driving intelligence community. In this video I want to talk about battery maintenance. You can see that this Honda Civic has a horribly dirty battery. There's corrosion. You can see the hold down strap is rusted. The battery terminals are corroded. In fact, when I was pulling on the battery cable, the positive terminal came off without any problem, so the clamp wasn't working. Had to buy a new one. So pay some close attention in this video. Make sure that your battery is in top performance so it never leaves you stranded. Just finished cleaning the battery, and you can see some corrosion on this positive battery terminal. I'm going to check the negative also, but modern electrical systems do not like bad grounds, so I'm going to sand that off, make sure that's good and clean, put a little dielectric on there, and then put the new clamp on it. All right, that's considerably better. I'm going to put a little dielectric on there. You can see I actually use this for spark plugs, but I'm going to use it here as well. I'm getting ready to reassemble the battery and the electrical connectors, and I look down there, and if you can see it, it looks like battery corrosion, acid that's built up down there, acid crystals. So I'm going to now have to pull this battery out and clean underneath the battery, make sure it's nice and clean so no corrosion further degrades any kind of surfaces on this, and then put everything back together. And I'll just use a baking soda solution for that.